First question: do you think people character change over time, or do they stay the same throughout life, and why? So I strongly believe that people character can be changed over time because compare when we all was young, so our personality is just can be influenced in our family member, especially our parent, because children they can easily learning from what they see usually. So we are mostly learn from they our family and what happens surrounding you. But when you get older, so a lot of things is happen to you, you will get a failure, maybe experience for education, your friendship, society. So those things can also change your character, change your behavior, or how you think and how you act in a lot of different situations. um, and I think that character everything is kind of flexible. It's just based on what happens surrounding you, and what happens surrounding you and what experience that you get. So it can still change over time, but when we get older, we have your own thinking. And I think when you get older, you just change too much as we was young. Just that. Second question is: some say success depends more on personality than on intelligence. Do you agree? So in my opinion, I mostly agree with this statement, because intelligent uh intelligent they can this can help people to understand things faster, easier to solve problem, or they are better learning better than a lot of more people. But imagine that if you are just intelligent but have no determination, so it's easier for you to give up, and you will just waste your potential because you're not trying your best to achieve success. But if someone who just of intelligent but they are hardworking, so they still try their best even they get some failure, so it's still so they still have strong motivation for to be achieve their success. So for the reason I think personality played the bigger role in our life than just intelligence. Next is: why do you think some societies value trade cooperation while others emphasize independent and individually? I think it's mostly based on different culture and different people point of view. And I'm not sure, but in our country, Vietnamese, because we have we just development country, which is have just over our wall, is not in a long time, and for a lot of lesson for what we can learn from history, so we are like, so for us I think that cooperation is one of the most important thing, because like I have heard the idea say that if you want to go like farther, so go with like more people, because I think that when you like work with others, so it's easily for you to, you can like think much more idea which can have you to do your like project, your work, and we can be like learned from each other. Different people will be like good at different things, so we can like learn from that. Next is, to what extent should school focus on developing student character rather than academic knowledge? I don't I don't think so. Uh, I think that in my opinion, I think that schools should focus equal for both character and academic knowledge, because academic knowledge can like help students to have a good profile, with help them to easier for to enter good university, uh, get much more opportunity in their job. But in the other hand, characters help them to get a long term success, and it help them to like work well in that environment with other. We can also like promote their opportunity in job like that. 7. It is possible to truly judge a person's character without knowing them for a long time. Why not? In my opinion, so I think we cannot judge anyone truly if you are just like talk to them for a few time, because first impression can be like misleading, because like some people can like behave different in public and different when you can like different when you are become closer with them, and our first impression is just what we act outside. Maybe their like appearance show that they are seem like angry people, but if you can like knowing them for a long time, so you can find another personality of them, so I just not prefer just them for a short time. You just like can talk about them if you are like know them and sure about they are for a long time, which is like truly right.